Welcome to a short demo of Central. We will show how plugging in a rogue USB device will immediately change the JSS inventory and how that can be useful. Here we see a static computer group called Corporate VPN Computers. It has two computers assigned at the moment. But we also have a configuration profile that delivers a VPN payload. And that profile is scoped to the same corporate computers. But it has an exclusion. All computers that have a blacklisted USB device are excluded. Currently, the VPN profile is deployed to both computers. We can also see the VPN profile in System Preferences on one of the target computers. As we can see, the static group of blacklisted computers is currently empty. No computers assigned. We have also created a smart group that will contain computers where we have detected malware. The criteria for this smart group is that it's a member of the group that has used some blacklisted USB device, but currently the count is 0. Now we will open System Preferences and Slack to see what Central will do once we add a blacklisted USB device to our computer. We will also keep an eye on the groups in the JSS. Now we plug in a blacklisted USB device. That will cause the Central probe to trigger using OS Query technology, monitoring the MacBook, and Central will fire its notifications. One notification will be a post in Slack. The other will change the group membership of the computer in the JSS using the API. We are waiting a bit as the probes only run at a predefined interval, which of course can be adjusted. Once the probe triggers, we will see a Slack post that contains a direct link to the JSS inventory of the computer. In System Preferences, the corporate VPN profile should disappear as the computer should be excluded from the scope of the VPN profile based on the group membership of blacklisted devices. So, after about 35 seconds after plugging the device in, we should see the result. Oh, there it comes! We can see that the probe posted in Slack. We can also see that the JSS removed the profile from the computer because that computer is now blacklisted. If we refresh the JSS, we see that group memberships have changed. Our MacBook has been added to the group of blacklisted devices, which has caused the JSS to remove the VPN profile. In the Slack post, we can see that a new USB device had been plugged into the MacBook. Short recap. We modified the computer group membership via the JSS API and used the MDM features to revoke VPN access on the MacBook immediately after detecting that a rogue USB device had been plugged in.